Yo, what's up guys, Joelby here, and today I'll show you how to protect yourself from losing your money on your MetaMask account. Because lately I saw a lot of videos that people are getting hacked. I'll try to make this as simple as I can, so please take a seat, watch this video fully, because this might help you to not lose your money. Usually people are not getting hacked, they are getting outplayed. So for example, most of people when they are swapping coins, they are going for example to PancakeSwap and they are all typing in Google PancakeSwap, and then like you can see, this is real PancakeSwap, and before that there is 3 ads which could be really dangerous if you click on them. So for example, instead of clicking over here and you click over here, it could be that page is same as this one, so you go trade, you want to trade your coin, and instead of trading your coin you're just sending your coin to another address. And I think this is most common one, so what I like to do always, those pages where I like to click a lot, I always put them on this quick search bar. And for example, if I want to go to PancakeSwap, I just click here and then I don't need to be worried. Next thing which you always need to do is when you are not using your MetaMask, you always need to lock your account, because if you don't and you're browsing some websites, for example CMC, they could see what you are holding on your account and they can use it against you. This is also really usual scam. Of course, not on CMC, on some other sites, they just send you fake MetaMask account, and if you don't paying attention and you accept, you're gonna lose your money. And now I will show you my way how I'm doing all of this, because I'm always looking for new coins, I'm always searching for another NFT games, and I always need to connect my wallets to random websites which are not secured, and this is also how a lot of people are losing their money. So way how I'm doing this is this. Over here on your Chrome, if you click over here, you can make a lot of other profiles. For example, I don't like to hold more than $20,000 in one account. You should also buy cold wallet. For example, I have Ledger Nano, and over here you're full secured, and if you have a lot of money and you're holding it on your MetaMask account, to be honest, you're just asking to be scammed. Just buy yourself, for example, if you have $20,000 or even $40,000, Ledger Nano S cost like 70 bucks, something like this, and it's actually pretty cool to use. You can keep your track. It's actually better than most of exchanges, because I really like this graph where you can see every single day, you can see your positions. So please, if you have a lot of money, invest in cold wallets. Don't hold your money on MetaMask or on exchanges. I believe more than 70% people in crypto are holding their money on exchange, and that's just wrong. So yeah, if you have a lot of money, please buy cold wallet, it's gonna help you a lot. But if you for some strange reason don't want to do it, or I don't know what, also by the way, please, when you're buying cold wallets, please check 7 times that address from where you're buying is correct. Please don't buy it for cheapest price, please buy only from official websites. So where I was, so for example, when you're going to check some other new websites, new, for example, NFT games, you can make new profile. And on each of those profile, I have my MetaMask. Of course, they are locked right now. But for example, I heard about this game Binary X, and this game comes out yesterday and I want to try it. I click on it. Of course, this game is over here for like few months and it's listed on Binance already. I'm just giving example. And like you can see, if you want to do something, if you want to, for example, check market, you can't check market before you connect your wallet. And when you connect your wallet to random websites, you could lose your money. So what I like to do is I want to have account only to check for new games, where I can connect my MetaMask account. I have $0 on it. If someone want to scam me, they can scam me for nothing. And this is way how I'm checking new games. If I'm sure, okay, Binary X is good game, I have no issues with it, I put $1,000 to that account and I invest in that game. And then I just make another account for another game where I'm going to invest my money. And how you can make those accounts is pretty simple. So you're just going to add continue with new account, then you put some random name. Of course, you want to put, I don't know, NFT account, for example. Then this is new Chrome from you. Over here you will have new tab, so you can just switch from one to another, and you want to add MetaMask Chrome extension. Then you just add it, get started. Yes, let's set up. Create a wallet. Over here you go agree, then you put yourself password. I have read and it's not long enough. Create, next, and over here you're gonna have secret recovery praise. you click over here and then you have these words, and those words you really want to hide them. You don't want to do what I did over here. You don't want to save them on your account or your PC, or I don't know where you making your MetaMask wallet. You want to, for example, have a piece of paper, hide it somewhere, and type those words over there. Don't keep those words on internet, because then it's easier to get hacked. You don't want to show this to anyone, but you probably already know for that. And then when you type those words somewhere, you go next. Over here, you will need to add all of this. And then when you confirm, you have your account ready. And with this account, with new account, you can go search for new games, connect that wallet to whatever you want, because you have 0 USDT. So you can see in less than 2 minutes I make new account, and right now I'm not risking all my money because I want to connect my MetaMask to check some random new games and NFTs. I have $0 over here. You can see this is my account. If I go to another one, if I click over here, you can see NFT account. Of course, I don't need this one. I will delete it because like I show you my phrase, so whoever saw it, they can just log into my account, but I have 0. But this is the way how you can put less risk that you are going to lose your account. And so far it did really well. I already did connect my wallet to few sketchy sites. So please guys, rule number 1, don't hold a lot of money on your MetaMask account. If you make a lot of money and you don't want to lose all of this, please make few accounts. Send, for example, if this account have 100k, send 20, 20, 20, 20, then you have 20,000 each. If one of them getting hacked, it's still not good, you're gonna lose 20k, but it's better than losing 100k. Of course, if you have 100k and you don't invest in $70 ledger, you are dumb and you deserve to be hacked. So boys, that's all. I really hope this will help to someone, because once you get hacked and once you lose your money from your MetaMask account, you can do absolutely nothing. Your money is gone and you will never see it again. So that's all, and peace.